I'm here again. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and this is hive number 111 in the nursery. Yep, in the nursery. And last time we looked at it, it had an unmarked queen on 6th to 16th. And we're going to look at today and see how that little lady is doing. And we may mark her and we may not. She was unmarked walker. She didn't have any eggs. We're going to see what we got today here. Oh, let's take this off. These here are I couldn't find any more little buckets, my little gallon buckets. So I made a bunch of these things here, and I can put the other buckets in here, even though that's a gallon bucket. But anyway, that doesn't mean that. This is a frame that they're working on or walking on. Bottom looks fairly clean. Little girl up here in the coma cleaning it. This is a frame with nothing on it. This side here we have some nectar. We can take care of that. Frame got two markings, one on each end. That means when, however I put it in there, it will be right. This one, we have eggs. We have nectar. We have the cell that the queen came out of. Looks like there was two of them that came out. May have been one of them that we caught and put somewhere else. They all didn't come back. That has eggs in it. Okay, so we got eggs. Down here is where the queen cell came out, or the queen came out of the queen cell. Came out of right there. See the hole in it? No more eggs than we see. If we find a queen, we will not mark her today. She has to have brood and a proven layer for a couple of weeks. A couple of drones. We don't see her. She may be on the wall. Oh, there she is. Pretty thing. Right there. That one didn't like me seeing mama. Smarted. Now I may get her another. Now I'm gonna wait a little while before I get her a marker before I get her another frame of bees. We're going to take that one off. We may give her some more bees. I'd like for her to lay a few more eggs first. Put this on here. Gonna get us some water. Get her some food. People's asking me about my water jugs if they could use clear ones or colored ones. This is a Pepsi-Cola bottle. Cut the top off it. Works real good for water. That way the babies, they don't have that many bees. And if they go and send bees out to get water to keep the hive cool, or to, you know, water the bees that are in there, you know, stuff. If they don't have to go out and they can get all their water from inside, they don't have to fly out and try to find it. They'll be getting along a lot better. Because there'll be more bees inside the hive. Inside the hive working, keeping everything safe and clean instead of going out and getting water. Then when the babies start hatching, the babies can get their own water. Saves a lot of more bees. So we're going to put that back down here. Now they'll be okay. We didn't mark the queen. What did I do with the top? There it is. And that is that with that one. We'll staple that down. Y'all give us a thumbs up, a comment, subscribe, share. and have a wonderful day. And we're going to go over to that one next. And we'll talk to you then. Y'all have a great day. Bye.